guys, as you can see, this is the new shed. I have no idea what to call it yet, but yeah, this is it. This is where everything's going to be happening from now on. A lot of work has to be done before I can move in. So I'll be going over all that with you guys really quickly right now and give you a bit of a timeline, hopefully, of when everything's going to be kicking off here. So Bree and myself have moved and we have found this very close to where we live, which has been an absolute massive bonus. Obviously with the new partnership with Snap-on, if you guys haven't heard, it was announced on Instagram and Facebook, but not on YouTube. So Snap-on tools have come on board for the 2020 season, and I'm really excited about the plans we have moving into this year. But first things first, we got to get the workshop sorted. So what I'm going to be doing, this is a very basic shed that has only ever had storage put in it, like furniture, you know, just random stuff. It's never had a car in here ever. So that's going to change. It's going to change very quickly. But the only two lights it's got are these two here. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is sorting out the power and the lights. Thankfully I'm an electrician, so I can do all that myself. We had to get power put into the shed, so that was the first job that's been done. So now I just need to basically kit out some more lights, some more power points, and try and figure out a bit of a plan of how I'm going to put everything in here, because it's kind of hard to get cars in here. There's only that back door there, and obviously these pillars are kind of limiting anything from happening there. But I'll figure it out. I'll figure out a way of getting all that sorted. Even if we take that beam out, chuck a main beam in between. Sorry, I'll do it on the camera here. So we'll take this beam out and then we'll just add a pillar from there to here and then just sort of swing the cars in that way. But there's not a massive amount of room once you start putting cars in here. So as you know, RBM3 and the Sony is obviously what's going to consume most of the shed. So I don't know if I'm going to put the cars staggered that way along here, or I'll put it that way, and I don't know. But you guys know I've got a lot of stuff at the chop shop, so I really need to figure out and be very careful with how I space everything in here. But I am going to be making this look $1 million. I'm really excited about doing that. So yeah, I'm going to be painting the floors and putting some decent stuff on the walls and just really kitting it out. I don't know what to call this place. We've obviously had 2 squid shacks, so I think it's time for a new name. I don't know what we're going to call it, so hopefully you guys can help me out. We've had quite a lot of people comment on one of the posts I put in the community tab on here, and there was heaps of different names, but yeah, if you guys can help me out with a name, that'd be great. And you might even get a prize for it, so get on to that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to tell you guys. Basically, this is gonna be the new home. I'm gonna be doing a lot of work out of here, and I'm gonna be getting heaps more content out, which is awesome. I'm really excited about that. I'll hopefully finish building the RB30 engine very soon. Just trying to tee in time with Darren, and also not having to go to New Zealand, because I'm off to New Zealand again tomorrow. And yeah, it's just, I've been really time poor. Darren's really time poor because he's so flat out. And yeah, we're gonna get onto that. I've also got another engine I'm building on my own, and that'll be happening here. And then there's a few other little things happening, which I'll tell you in due time. But for now, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the shed. A lot of people have been asking, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We're going to start kitting it out and getting it ready to move into. So for now, I'm going to pretty much pack my bags, get ready to go to New Zealand tomorrow. So that's bright and early in the morning. So this weekend's event in New Zealand is round 3 at Bay Park, and it's a old speedway track, or I think it's still getting used. They just take all the clay and dirt off, bring it back down to the concrete, and then they just add a few little sections in to make it a circuit. So it's going to be something I've never done before, and I'm really looking forward to it, because obviously The 86 is real small and nimble and should be really suited to this sort of circuit. But I guess we're going to find out this weekend, and hopefully we got some luck this time. But it's all good, it's all part of drifting. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Give you guys a quick insight into what's happening here. And obviously this will all start happening as soon as I get back from New Zealand. So, all right guys, so we're going to wrap it up there. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up, and let's get to New Zealand. See you guys.